Welcome back, guys. Another feature product update here. We see we're on 5.2 now, and there's been quite a bit of functionality added. So the last thing I showed you was that there was now tabs inside the fixtures. So if we look in the fixtures, let's take a fixture from today in the Premier League, say Liverpool-Burnley. So what happens now when you go onto your odds? It's a bit smarter. There's a couple of things that have been added actually. It knows now what the pre-match odds are, and it'll show you that. So if we change this, you can see that BTTS is 1.8 and it's crossed out 1.6 because that's below. So there was an issue where there was people getting alerts pretty much straight away, which kind of gave me another idea, and it's something that somebody actually emailed me and asked for. So I thought I can do that. That can be added pretty quickly, and it's this closing lines. Now I don't think the majority of people will use this, but the people that do will find it very useful indeed. So professional gamblers, for instance, they will often check the closing lines to see if they have potentially beaten the bookies on value. So if the odds are lower than when they place their bet, then they will feel good about the game. And there's other reasons for it as well, but that's what it's called. If you give closing lines to Google, you'll be able to read up on that. So it's a one-click thing. You click it, and then you save the alert, and you'll just be notified as soon as the game starts or is about to start. Basically, as soon as the non-pre-match odds become available, you'll be notified of whatever they are per market. So you can just set alerts like that. And yeah, it's just generally a bit smarter. So it'll update these odds, and it'll cross off ones that you can't actually select. The next feature as well within odds is that I've added a lot more bookmakers. It was just Bet365 before for pre-match, but now, as you can see, you can just select and they quickly update. Some bookmakers have more markets. That's just how it is anyway. But if they're there, you'll see them. I'm adding more markets all the time, so you can see there between Ladbrokes and Pinnacle. I'm not sure what it is. It's double chance, isn't it, that's added there. So Ladbrokes has double chance, Pinnacle doesn't. And then you can just see, yeah, there's corners, there's both teams to score and win, there's all of them. But for Bet365, I would say they have the majority of what you're looking for. Okay, the feed. Finally, the feed. You can now see your own alerts in a separate tab, if you have any. And you can also follow people's alerts with a single click. So this Liverpool-Burnley game, exactly 0 goals after 60 minutes. I can't see it happening, so I'm not going to follow that. But this one looks interesting. A goal in the first half. Odds of 1.8, so let's follow that. Again, one click, and just to confirm, you go into you and it's there. And you can now delete from this section as well. I'm putting a bit more focus into this per fixtures, the feed per fixture for now, because I do have plans for this page separately. I'm going to update this page probably next week, and it's going to be more of a dashboard type experience. Right now it's just a very long feed of fixtures. Some have got a tick on them, some have got a cross. You can access the games through this feed, but that'll remain the same once it's updated. But I just think there's a bit more value to be had in this page because people are going to it, people are using it a lot. It's not quite as useful as I would like it to be. So let's see what else was in the roadmap, if there's anything I've missed out. I don't think there is. I've added probably 15 more competitions. Closing lines, mentioned that. Let there be odds, that's been mentioned. One-click copying, yep, and the odds feed. Yeah, so that's it in the last sort of 2.5 days. Those features have been shipped. And in terms of the analytics, yesterday was a great day because actually this week has been decent. Page views. go over the last 30 days, just so you can see. Yeah. So that was last Saturday. Last Saturday was the best day for traffic, for alerts created, until yesterday. Yesterday there was about 550, nearly 600 alerts created. So I don't know. I'm hoping that today. See, it's not updated for Friday there yet on this analytics. But in terms of the alerts, yeah, yesterday was the best day so far. Why did this happen? Well, I just think more people are picking it up on Twitter. There was a pretty big professional gambler / tipster on Twitter that retweeted one of my tweets. He has about 35,000 followers. That resulted in maybe 30 or 40 new users that day, and then the following day was the day that we had the record number of alerts created. But it's a nice steady rise. This was last Saturday, so I'm pretty excited to see what is in what will happen this Saturday. I'm going to post on Reddit again because I don't want to spam Reddit, but I think there is a post there because there's been a lot of updates in the past week. There just has. It's improved massively. Yeah, so that's that. I'm going to carry on working now. I mean, the next thing that you'll probably see is that you can save your own presets, and just they'll appear in the presets section, and you can just apply them with one click as you would with the other presets. So that'll be there next week, and then in-play alerts is almost ready. I just didn't want to launch it today or this weekend actually, just in case, with maybe more traffic today and more people creating alerts. If I want to be able to monitor and fix something if it goes wrong, rather than also trying to fix something if it goes wrong with the in-play alerts. So that'll probably be launched on like a boring Tuesday afternoon or something. But it's almost there. It's almost ready. But presets first. Maybe even presets today. Who knows? I'm recording this on Saturday. So let's see. Right. Cool. Thank you.